Morning, Jim.
Good morning, Deena. Thanks for having me. What are we celebrating today?
French Toast Day.
Ooh la la! Mwah!
Did you know that in France, it's actually called pain perdu, which means lost bread?
That's cool. In other parts of the world, it might be called eggy bread, Bombay toast, poor knight's pudding, or even German toast.
That's a good one. Let's make some fun French toast to celebrate.
I'll toast to that. French toast!
French toast!
Well, to celebrate French Toast Day, I am making a Fluffernutter cornflake coated French toast. For the bread, I'm going to be using brioche bread. I just love the sweetness of brioche. You could always use Texas toast too. We basically start by making Fluffernutter sandwiches. One half of the bread will have peanut butter, and the other side will have marshmallow fluff. Make your sandwiches. Now I work on my egg dredge. Next, we need some cornflakes. I crushed some in a baggie. I'm gonna put them in this baking dish. And now comes the fun part. Grab that sandwich, put it in your egg wash, both sides. Next, take it and dip it in your cornflake mixture. Cover it with cornflakes. Now we're gonna take that sandwich and put it right on a hot griddle. Start cooking. After a couple minutes, give them a flip. Yum. Okay, let's try this Fluffernutter French Toast. So excited. Love that mix of marshmallow and peanut butter. And the crunch of the cornflakes is so fun. It's great. Now you'll have to check out my friend's channel, Deena Witch. It's in my description. Deena is amazing. You know why? Because she posts a video every day celebrating a holiday every day. Why? Because every day is a celebration. I really don't like eating burnt French toast. It makes me feel sick. I guess I'm black toast intolerant.